This is really a great tradition. To be honest with you, when I came down here in Manila, I wanted to really, make sure that I will have to attend the Simbang Gabi at Malacanang. To begin with, I am a big supporter of our president, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. And another thing is that I love the heritage, the Filipino heritage that includes, the Simbang Gabi during Christmas season. And thereafter, I love the idea of having those kakanins because those are really the culture that we are a part of. And I was a part of growing up even way back, from Mindanao where I grew up here. This is a very significant tradition because after pandemic, every one of us, parang we were so afraid of going out. Parang we detach ourselves from several, families, having this special project by the Office of the President, this brings us back together. We become closer. I think we inculcate the culture of the true Filipino spirit. I'd like to thank our president, dear President Bongbong Marcos. He is doing a fabulous, great job for our country. And I, along with millions of Filipinos, are really, really behind him, supportive of him. I know him being the father of our country, it's not easy. He has lots of challenges and lots of things to really make good for our fellow kababayans.
The spirit of Christmas is here already. Nandito na po siya. Kasi mararamdaman mo na kaagad. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa sa entrance until here, until you finish that, feel mo na talaga yung spirit of Christmas. Mahalaga po yun kasi everybody's welcome here. Lahat open for all, walang atubiling tinatanggap ang mga tao publiko para lang maganap ito at hindi lang sa pagganap ng yung ng kaayusan ng bawat isa sa atin. Sir President and Madam First Lady, thank you for this every year occasion na ganito na nagaganap at napapahalagan ang tatanggap nyo sa publiko, sa amin na nasa publiko. Ngayon, masayang-masaya po kami. Sana'y continue itong ginagawang ito para sa ganun. Bawat isa ay may pagmamahalan. Salamat po. At eto, nakakuha kami ngayon ng pang-breakfast after the church. Hindi lang ito, pero yung spirit of Christmas really feels here inside the Malacanang.
Mahalaga po ito para po magkasama-sama po mga pamilya at po magkakaibigan sa araw po ng Pasko. Pangalawang taon ko na po dito, nararamdaman ko po ang spirit ng Pasko dito po sa Malacanang. Merry Christmas po, President Bongbong Marcos. Maraming salamat po sa mga pa-carnival niyo po dito sa Malacanang at dito po sa Pasimbang Gabi niyo po.